Hi all. In this session, we're going to learn how to retrieve details from password protected Excel sheet. In some rare situation, there may be chances of we forget the password or the Excel which shared to us need immediate attention, but unable to edit because of password protected. Let's see how we can overcome this situation without damaging the data and how it helps avoiding our rework. Welcome to Asterisk Blogs, and my name is Santosh. I already have a set of data for our training purpose. I am just going to give some random password and protect this sheet. Just random password, and I'm trying to edit. See, we can see such error. I'm trying to edit in cell. Yes, we are getting error. I'm going to save this file and close it. Yeah, saving it and I'm closed. Let me reopen it again and check for a double confirmation whether I am able to edit. I'm just opening that Excel file and trying to edit. No, it's asking for password. So this is what we're going to learn. Sometimes I may forget my password and I want to add some details in this Excel sheet. Instead of doing rework, how I will get this data without damaging the file and how I will avoid my rework. For that, we need to download a software called OpenOffice. It will be there in some systems, or else we can take it from our website, and it's a free trial version. See, this is the website detail, and there is an option called download full installation. If you click this link, you will get the complete software details, and you need to download it in your desktop. Post downloading, you will get such kind of options. See, OpenOffice Math, Impress, Draw, Calc. So this is the file which we're going to use to crack this password. I'm just opening this file, and this is a simpler version of Excel. That's how we can say, and it has been given by Microsoft only. What I'm going to do now is the file which we already have in Excel, I'm going to drag it in this version. See, I got the details, and I'm trying to edit. It will say password protected. See, here also I'm not able to edit anything. Let's crack this. Go to file option and save this file. Let's save this file. I'm just renaming it. I'm giving it as a test file. And here's the major thing. I need to save this file as ODF spreadsheet .ods format. The first option which is there. Yes. Now I need to give save. See, the document you are about to export has one or more protected items with password that cannot be exported. Please retype your password to be able to export your document. Click here. There is an option called remove password from this protected item. Click and give OK. Click on OK. Done. Now what we need to do is we need to unprotect this sheet. So there is an option called protect document. See, the tick mark, we need to take it out from that sheet. See, now I can able to edit. So the password protected will not work here. We got the data. Now again I need to save this file, but now I'm going to save this file as Excel format. .xls format. Just save. It will ask for keep current format or save in ODF format. Please use this keep current format and save the file. See, it will get saved in Excel format. Save. Just close the file. Now you please open the test file. We can see the same set of data which there in password protected. We got it here, and this file is editable. See, I can able to edit. I can able to make cursor here. I can able to edit also. Whatever function I can able to do, I can do it in this file. See, like this you can try. If any for an example, for a training purpose, I've taken one file. We may get a lot of more working files with high number of password protected things. So this format we can use in terms of we forgetting our password. With this, we ending up our session here. Hope you all got a chance to learn a new thing in Excel. Please do like, share, comment, and don't forget to click the bell button. Your each support will help us to come up with good contents in future. Thank you, and bye now from Asterisk Blogs.